Hello mga ka-wisdom! Welcome to Wisdom is Power channel. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like, mag-comment at i-share ang video ito. Click mo na rin ang notification bell to receive more wisdom videos na katulad nito. Salamat! Today we're going to discuss the part 2 of our topic which is the phase sequence. So phase sequence is defined as the order in which the three phases attain their peak or maximum values. So meron tayong two phase sequences. First is the ABC sequence, or also called the positive sequence. And the second one is the ACB sequence, or also known as the negative sequence. For ABC sequence, that's why we call this sequence. That it means in order, no? In series. Say, for example, ang mauuna pumuesto yung phase A, followed by phase B, followed by phase C. Kung balance ang system, yung ating phasor diagram, the three phases are separated 120 degrees. No? So, ganun din sa kung siya ay phase voltages o mga phase values or phase quantities. So, VAN mauna, followed by VBN and VCN. Ganun din yung mga line voltages natin, VAB rather, then VBC, then VCA. So, ganun ang kanyang sequence. So, susundin niya talaga yung ABC sequence. Mauna ang A, phase B, then followed by phase C. So, ang sequence natin, ang reference natin, mag-i-start ng 0 degrees, no? Then, yung kasunod na sequence, which is the phase B, para daw makuha mo yung kanyang value and magnitude and direction. So, subtract ka ng 120 degrees doon sa reference point natin or starting point, which is 0 sa ating case, no? Then, yung next na phase, which is the phase C, mag-subtract ka ng 240 doon din sa reference or mag-add ka ng 120 degrees from our starting point or the reference point. Sa ACB, ganun din. Walang pinagkaiba halos, no? So, ang mauna lang dito, of course, is still phase A, followed by phase C, then followed by phase B. So, whether it is line quantities or line voltages or phase voltages, so mauna lagi yung phase A, then phase C, then followed by phase B. So, ganun pa rin yung sequence natin. Mag-i-start siya sa reference point natin o starting point. Then, yung kasunod, which is the phase C, ang kasunod, mag-subtract tayo ng 120 degrees. Then, pagdating ng phase B, mag-subtract tayo ng 240 degrees or mag-add tayo ng 120 degrees doon sa ating reference or starting point. So let's say practice problem. A positive sequence, three-phase balance Y voltage source has a phase voltage of VAN is equals to 100 angle 20 degrees RMS value o voltage. Determine and draw the line voltages of the source. So ang given natin yung mga phase voltage natin, which is VAN. So 100 angle 20 degrees. So we are asked to solve for the line voltages. So since the given is a positive sequence, so we will start with VAB, VBC, and VCA, or simply ABC sequence. So our solution, the line-to-line voltage is equals to square root of 3 multiplied by the phase voltage angle 30 degrees. So since we are asked to solve for the line voltages, then we simply input the value of the phase voltage or substitute the value of the phase voltage dun sa ating equation. So that will be square root of 3 multiplied by 100. Then, attach lang natin yung 20 degrees plus 30 degrees. So, square root of 3 multiplied by 100 is 173.21. Then, the sum of 2 degrees, that is 50 degrees. So, this will be our starting point or this will be our reference point. So, again, using our sequence from starting point, para makuha natin yung next sequence, mag-subtract tayo ng 120 doon sa reference point natin or starting point natin, which is VAB. So, 50 degrees minus 120 degrees. So, VBC is equals to 173.21 angle negative 70 degrees. So, yung next sequence, which is the BCA, so, kukopyahin mo lang yung kanyang magnitude, then the angle, mag-subtract ka naman ng 240 doon sa reference. So, that is 50 minus 240. That will give us negative 190 degrees. Or, ang kasunod na, ang katumbas na value niyan, o ng location ng ating BCA is, mag-add tayo ng 120 degrees doon sa ating reference point. So, 50 degrees plus 120, so that will be 170 degrees for the value of BCA. So if we're going to draw that, the line voltages, so we have the X and Y axis. So VAB is 50 degrees from our X-axis, X-axis. While the VBC is going to, in the fourth quadrant, that is negative 70 degrees. From our x-axis going in a clockwise direction. So you will get negative 70 degrees. While VCA will be, it's either positive 170 degrees coming from our x-axis going counterclockwise. Or you will start from x-axis going clockwise para makuha mo yung negative 190 degrees. So since this is a balanced system, so these three phases are separated by 120 degrees. So let's have practice problem number 2. A positive sequence, three-phase balanced Y voltage source has a phase voltage of VAN is equals to 100 angle 45 degrees RMS volts. So determine and draw both phase and line voltages of the source. So halos magkamukha lang ito nung practice problem number 1. So but this time we are required to solve for the other phase voltages and also the line voltages. So again, for the phase voltage, so ang starting point natin, 100 angle 45 degrees. So sabi natin, para makuha natin yung next sequence, mag-subtract lang tayo ng 120 degrees. So our answer will be 100 angle negative 75 degrees. So next, para makuha agad natin yung next sequence, magsusubtract tayo ng 240 sa reference natin. So that will be 45 minus 240 and that will give us a value of 100 angle negative 195 degrees. Pwede yon. So pwede rin namang mag-add ka ng 120 degrees doon sa reference natin. So 45 plus 120, that will give us 100 angle 165 degrees. So for the line-to-line voltages or simply line voltages, yung ating equation using our equation square root of 3 multiplied by the phase voltage angle 30 degrees. So we just insert lang natin yung value ng ating phase voltage. So square root of 3 multiplied by 100, that will give us 173.25. then the sum of the 2 degrees, that will be equals to 75 degrees. So again, from our sequence, para makuha natin yung kasunod na value, which is BBC rather, mag-subtract tayo ng 120 doon sa ating reference magnitude and direction, which is 75 minus 120, that will give us negative 45 degrees. The same value, the same magnitude, because this is a balanced system. So for the third phase or the third sequence, the VCA, that will magma-minus lang tayo ng 240. So 75 minus 240, and that will give us negative 165 degrees. Or simply 75 degrees plus 120, pwede rin nating isagot 173.21 angle, positive 195 degrees. So these are the phase voltages and the line voltages. Then we're going to draw that. So we have here, we can see yung mga hidden lines natin represents the phase voltages values. VAN, followed by VBN, and followed by VCN. And yung ating mga solid lines or yung visible lines natin, so that will be BAB, followed by BBC and VCA. So let's set practice problem number 3. A positive sequence, three-phase, balanced Y voltage source has a line voltage of VAB is equals to 400 angle 0 degrees RMS volts. So calculate the phase voltages of the source. So this time, the given is line voltage. So we're asked to solve for the phase voltages. So VAN, VBN, and VCN, since this is a positive sequence or ABC sequence. So again, using our equation, so since ang hinahanap natin ay yung phase voltage, so our equation will become line voltage divided by square root of 3 angle 30 degrees. So let's substitute the value of line voltage, that is 400 angle 0 degrees, divided by square root of 3 angle 30 degrees. So that will give us 230.94 angle minus 30 degrees. So again, our sequence is the same. So from reference, the next sequence of the BBN, mag-subtract tayo ng 120 doon sa reference point natin. So that will give us negative 30 minus 120, that will give us negative 150 degrees. And for the BCN, that is negative 30 minus 240, that is equal to negative 270. Or simply, negative 30 plus 120, and that will give us angle of 90 degrees. So pare-parehas naman yung kanyang voltage, ang kanyang magnitude, nag-iiba lang ang kanyang direction o kaya mga angle, no? So because this is again balanced system. So that's all mga ka-wisdom. So again, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like, mag-comment at i-share ang video ito. Click mo na rin ang notification bell to receive more wisdom videos na katulad nito. Salamat!